Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the antipsychotic drugs classification, and for this we have to remember that the dining area can be of two types, a typical dining area or a atypical dining area. Okay, so in this video we are going to focus on the typical dining area. The typical dining area for the antipsychotic drugs looks like this. There are three tables here. One is the butter chicken table, this one. Then there is a table for Thai cuisine, and the other table is the amazing side dish table or side table, and the fourth one is a miscellaneous table. So now we will focus on the butter chicken table. So for the butter chicken will give us the class of drug which is buttery chicken butyrophenones. Hen is chicken, so butyrophenones or buttery chicken is the class of the drug. And when we focus on this table, we see this table is decorated with paper dolls, or there are dolls on the periphery of this table. So this is going to tell us about the suffix which is peri-doll, paper doll or periphery doll. Then what is served on this table? There is a trifle, a full hen with a halo on her head, and here it's written drop. So the drugs are trifle will give us the drug trifle peridol, that is trifluperidol. Peridol is the suffix because of this paper dolls. Trifluperidol. Then there is a halo on the head of the hen, haloperidol. This hen is a full hen or full chicken. So when we see this chicken or this hen has feathers on it, see friends, full chicken will be served on all the three tables. So the only exception for the peridol table is that, or the butter chicken table is that, here the hen is with the feathers. So we are going to give preference to the hen, and hen word will be first here. So hen will be followed by full. So instead of full hen, we are going to write hen flu. So penfluridol, and we can drop the idea of dining on this table and we can move on. So drop will give us the drug droperidol. So these are the drugs on the butter chicken table, that is the butyrylphenone or butyrophenone with peridol as the suffix. Now we will move on to the next table. The second table is the Thai cuisine special table, and this table is going to help us in becoming slim or in weight loss. So Thai thin. So this table is the class of drug thioxanthines. Thin, thioxanthines. What we have on this table is again a full hen. So the drugs will be, a full hen is going to give us the drug full, that is flupen, this is hen, flupentixol. And we have to remember anything which is, that is Thai curry which is served here on the table is thick. The curry will be thick for which is being served here. So thicks is the word which is going to get repeated in the drugs. So full hen thixol, or we can write Thai cuisine is remembered, or the base mark for Thai cuisine is thick. So the drug is thiothixin, thick curry or thiothixin. So these are the drugs for thioxanthine class. So now the third table This third table is an amazing side table. It has amazing side dishes which are inspired by the Thai cuisine. And the speciality of this table is there is a big bottle of phenol here which is imported from Thailand. So the class of drug is phenol, is phenothiazine, is the Thailand, and azine is the from the word amazing. So the drugs which comes under this particular class will have a suffix of azine. Remember that. So this side table is again divided into three parts. The first part is the one which has pepper on it, a full chicken with pepper on it, a trifle with a pepper on it. Then the second part has piping hot food which can burn the thyroid, and the third part has a lip smacking trifle. So the drugs which comes under these three things are, these three subclasses are, first we will focus on the pepper. So this pepper chicken, so this full chicken or the full hen is going to give us the drug full hen. Azine is the suffix from here. So the drug is fluphenazine. The trifle with pepper, trifluperazine. So trifle with pepper and azine is the suffix. So these are the drugs under the piperazine side chain. Now we will see the piping hot side. So the piping hot side dishes is going to burn the thyroid. So the drug from the word thyroid comes out to be thyroid. Azine is the suffix. So the drug is thioridazine, which comes under the piping hot is piperidine side chain. Piperidine is piping hot. Pepper is piperazine side chain or piperazine side chain. Now comes the lip smacking side dish, which is a colorful trifle, and this trifle is imported from Rome. So a lip is going to tell us about the class of drug which is the aliphatic side chain. A lip, ALI, is aliphatic side chain. Colored trifle plus Rome plus suffix is azine. So colored trifle, so color Rome azine will give us the drug chlorpromazine. Trifle plus Rome plus azine will give us the drug triflupromazine. So after you are done eating on all the three tables, you can go to the fourth table, that is the miscellaneous table. Here one will be served with luxurious wine. Luxurious wine is going to give us the drug loxapine or loxapine. You will be given a ride on a limo. So limo side is pimozide or pimozide drug, and a moly thread will be tied on your hands. A moly thread is a red and yellow thread. So the moly thread is the moly, and after the moly thread is tied to your hands, you are done. You can leave from there. So molyn done. So friends, these are the antipsychotic drugs which comes under the typical part. In the next video, we will cover the atypical antipsychotic drugs. Thank you for watching.